How to create a introduction video for your YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create a introduction video or a intro video for your YouTube channel without having any video expertise. Anyone can do this, and I know a lot of you people starting out with YouTube do not want to hire other people to create those introduction videos, and doing all that can be super expensive and it's far more effective to just do it yourself. So let's get into it. Now we will be using Canva. Canva is super popular right now, and for this I do recommend using Canva Pro. I do have it currently, but you can easily do it with the free version of Canva. There might be some limitations on what kind of elements you can use. There are some premium elements that you might really like, and they might be a premium feature. So you can get started with Canva Pro for $6, but you can also get, discounts, and you also have things such as, business accounts where multiple people are using it, so you can get a lower price for that as well. Now, to get started, simply head on over to canva.com, log into your account, and you can go into your templates and search for YouTube intro. So once you search for YouTube intro, you will get multiple different templates that are created for YouTube introduction videos. So there are so many different templates that you can choose from. There is quite a lot of variety out there that you can pick. So let's say, there are so many different ones. They are related to multiple different kinds of niches as well, and you can choose whatever fits your niche. So you guys can see this one is a amazing little template, and I'm just going to open this up. So you guys can see it's like this little page by page template, and if I play it over here, and just like that, it says your channel name, subscribe, and then from here you can add your YouTube video. So in your second slide, you're just going to enter your channel name, and you can customize this however you like. So let's say this doesn't fit in my color scheme. I can click on the background over here. You guys can see it's like a video background, not this, but I can just going to click on this. I can remove it, I can delete the video, and I can enter, my own background. So I can go into the elements section, or I can even click on upload and upload my own video in the background. But let's say I want to add more of a tech video. I'm just going to search for tech in the elements section, and then I'm going to go into videos like so, and I'm just going to expand it, and then I'm going to click on send to back. And then I want to maybe change the color of this item over here. So I can just click on this and I can change the color of the element. Now I'm going to shorten the video a little as well, like so. I want to make it shorter. I just want it to be like a tiny little section, like so. Then I have this element, and then it goes to this screen. Maybe I want to change this as well. So I'm going to add this, and I can expand it. And then I'm going to click on layer, then click on send to back, like so. And I'm going to reduce the time of this as well. I'm just going to make this around 1 second. Then I have my channel name section, and I'm going to change, the colors of that as well, like so. And I'm going to change, this item over here. And instead of having it like that, I'm just going to change the appearance a little, like this. And after that, I have my little subscribe section. I'm also going to change, colors on this as well. Now I have all of these items added. Now you can add transitions in between. This template already has transitions. It has the dissolve transition added in between. I can click on add transition, and you can add pages, add transitions, whatever you want. If you click on this, you have add transition, and I want to maybe add the dissolve transition like so. Now I'm just going to reduce everything to around 1 second, like so. Extend this a little, lower the timing on this, and now I will move my cursor and we will do a quick preview. So I have this cute little introduction video ready for my YouTube channel. Now all I have to do is click on share on the top right. Then I can click on download, and I can download this as a MP4 file to add to all of my YouTube videos. Now, you don't have to get started with a template. A template is just there to ease up. If you want a more customized look, you can just click on create blank YouTube intro. and this will create a blank for you, and you can use a template if you want, but if you don't, we can get started from scratch. So let's say I have, something in mind already. So I will just add this design. I'm going to change the color, and for the background, let's say I want to do a different color like this, and then I'm going to reduce the time on this. I'm going to add my second frame. In this frame, let's say I want to add glitch. I'm going to search for glitch in elements, and then I can go on ahead, go into videos, or you can add a graphic, you can add a video, that's totally up to you. I'm going to add this little glitch video. I'm going to use it to cover the entire background, like so. I'm going to shorten the video quite a lot, like so. It's going to be 3 seconds, and then I will go into elements, search for timer. So I'm just going to use this little integration, and they have, recommendations. They have the 2 and 1 as well. So I'm just going to make this frame 1 second long, like this. Then I can just take this frame over here. You can see page 2. I have these 3 dots, and once I click on these 3 dots, I have duplicate page. I'm going to duplicate this and add 2 instead of 3 over here. Then I'm just going to make this 1 second long. It's already 1 second long, and then I'm just going to duplicate it once more, and then I'm going to add the 1. Place it right at the center, and then I will add my page, and then I will have, my YouTube video, or, my welcome page. So there are quite a bunch of different effects, and I'm just going to flip this horizontally, or I'm just going to search for loading. So moving on, I've just added a new frame, and I'm going to add a loading section on it just to give it more of a interactive feel, like so. And I'm going to make it pretty short as well. And I'm going to add my final page, which is going to be my welcome page. And I'm just going to take this little welcome, like so. And you can enter your channel name, you can enter whatever you want. And just like that, once I've added all of this, I can add my transitions. So you can do, if you want to add transitions all over to your entire page, to the entire video, you can just click on animate on the top left of your screen, and you can apply to all. So let's say I want the pan animation or the wipe animation, whatever one you prefer. You can choose the direction as well, how you want it to appear, and you can click on apply to all pages to apply this animation. So now let's take a preview. And you can see this is our little animation. Now I don't want this kind of animation, I actually want to change it up. So I'm going to select an item individually, and I'm going to click on animate, and I want it to actually have a different effect. I want it to be a neon effect, and I'm going to add it to all of the items like this, and they will appear more, seamless like that. So now 2, 1, and then I have my welcome. Just like that, we've created a new intro video for our YouTube channel. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.